here at ISE Expo 2022, and I'm with Brian Hanson of Westell. So Brian, tell us what attracts Westell to the broadband industry, and where do you see yourself playing in that space?
Well, we're at a very unique time in our lives and for history that the federal government's enacted an enormous amount of funding through multiple programs to close the digital divide and bring digital equity to all. Westell has 40 years in the outside plant space. We have full staff of engineering where we can build custom power and fiber cabinet solutions integrated for the field and uniform coming out of our factory.
Definitely wonderful. And I know there's a lot of federal funding opportunities, investments that have been made by the Fed. How important is the execution, and how can Westell support the success of these deployments?
Well, Westell works diligently on time to market. Lead time is obviously something that's on everyone's mind now, dealing with supply chain and the shutdowns that we've had over the last few years. So really, to get the full use of the government funding, they have to be deployed in a certain time frame. We aim to get product in the field, again, uniform, and the solution is already integrated so the customer can deploy and turn up sites very quickly.
Okay, that's wonderful. Now, how important are partnerships with you and other companies for Westell in the broadband industry as a whole?
Well, ultimately, it takes a village, right? I mean, we are a piece, and we can take on quite a large portion of that capability with our design team and our integration team, but we have to be working with partners to make sure the execution of these deployments can go through. Partners such as the engineering firms that are working on building out these networks, other OEMs that we partner with, such as power generation and energy storage and fiber providers. When we take a look at everything that goes into these types of projects, it takes all of us to run smoothly and efficiently for these to be deployed and turned up within the time frame these federal grants such as BEADS and RDOF funds have. We're on the clock, so it's time to keep moving forward. And again, the one strategy that we've always had is time to market.
That's wonderful. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm glad you were here. And from ISE Expo, we're signing off. Thanks for joining us.